Ever seen pending on Venmo? Here's why and how to fix it. Reason 1. Venmo sometimes holds payments for verification if it detects unusual activity. Reason 2. Your linked bank or card needs confirmation or is still processing. Reason 3. The recipient hasn't accepted a request or hasn't added a bank account. Reason 4. A security hold or insufficient funds on the funding source. Quick check. Open Venmo and tap the transaction to see the specific reason listed. Step 1. Confirm your identity in Venmo settings if you see a verification prompt. Step 2. Verify your bank or card by following the app prompts or confirming microdeposits. Step 3. Ask the recipient to accept the payment or add a bank to their Venmo account. Step 4. For bank transfers, wait up to 3 business days for processing. If a security hold applies, contact Venmo support in-app and provide transaction details and ID. Summary: check the transaction reason, verify accounts, ask the recipient, or contact support to release the payment.